Hello and welcome back to the Marks Electrical Studio, back again with another product review video, and this time we're calling out to all you budding chefs out there because we're going to talk about this fantastic product. Allow me to introduce the Cookcentre 90G stainless steel 90cm gas range cooker. Now there are still plenty of people out there who prefer to cook with gas, and with this home cooking hub they'll certainly be in their elements. There's no end of things that you can do with this appliance. All of your cooking needs are well and truly covered. Let me show you how. Why should this be the one-stop shop for all of your cooking needs then? Let me go through the functions. I'll start with the 5-burner hob that I see on the top there with cast iron supports. There is one small burner, 2 medium burners, 1 large burner and a 4 kilowatts wok burner that takes up pretty much all of the centre section. You could get a massive pan on top of there and stir fry to your heart's content. That's a really useful function on the top there. All your boiling, searing needs, frying, all very, very well taken care of on the hob. Let's move down and look at the 8 control dials. Makes absolutely perfect sense. There are 5 for the hob and there are 3 for the various compartments. You also have an electronic clock here that doubles up as a programmable timer. It's the Maxi Clock minute minder, which can be set from 1 to 99 minutes. Let's go through the 3 compartments then. Let's talk about the variable rate gas grill, which has 24 litres of usable capacity. You'll see it has 1 shelf, but also a grill pan and a grill pan holder. All your grilling needs are pretty much taken care of in there. It's a 1 dedicated compartment for that, so that could give you everything really you'll ever need there, and you can concentrate on the ovens, and there are plenty to talk about in those particular ovens as well. Let's talk about the conventional gas oven, 48 litres of usable capacity. There are 2 shelves there, even cooking throughout, because the gas flame ignites to make the heat rise from underneath, which is particularly handy if you're cooking something like certain types of cakes and cream puffs. So home bakers will be in their elements with this because they've got both bites of the cherry, and I'm going to explain exactly why when I go through to door number 3 and the tall fanned oven, which is at 86 litre capacity. 3 shelves, the only electric compartment on this appliance, with the fan at the back there for even heat distribution around all 3 shelves, which is particularly handy for batch baking if you're making little cakes, biscuits, anything like that. Whatever you want, you'll be well covered. Ditto if you're making meals, meats, Sunday lunches. You really cannot go wrong with either oven. You get the best of both worlds. You get a dedicated grill section. You've got plenty of room on the hob there. Really couldn't be better. So let's start to wrap up with some of the dimensions then. This product is 930 millimeters in height, it is 900 millimeters in width, and it is 600 millimeters in depth. Please, as always, do leave 5 millimeters either side for clearance, and that's what we've got to tell you about the Cookcentre 90G stainless steel 90cm gas range cooker, and it's certainly a product that we'll be recommending to our customers. You can buy this appliance now from Marks Electrical. All you've got to do is follow the link that you'll find directly below this YouTube video. It will take you straight to our website where you can get next day delivery subject to availability and review all the purchase options, including finance, which is of course subject to status. Do hit that subscribe button as well while you're on YouTube, so you'll always know when we posted a new video, and please leave as many comments as you can because we'd love to talk to you more about any questions you may have about wonderful items such as this. That's all for the Marks Electrical Studio for now, and we'll see you next time.